you need to catch up on those hours. But yeah, it's just really difficult. So then you plan for the handover day, you plan for the weekend, you plan for the week you've got the kids, so it keeps your mind occupied. And yeah, I'm grateful I've got the kids for 50% of the time. So this isn't a complaint. It's just reality, and that's the whole Kodad Chronicles. This is the reality of what it's like when you got the kids and when you haven't got the kids. So yeah, just that's me. Just trying to resist eating a shopping a trolley, a shopping trolley's worth of food, and just trying to keep my mind, my body all active and healthy, and it can be interesting. It can be hard. Yeah.